Good afternoon, Rutgers. It is your host and weather watcher, Jonas Schick, here with your weekly forecast. Let's get into it. Headlines for the week: we have some fog overnight into the morning, rain and warm weather for this time of year this week, and a cool down on Thursday and Friday into the weekend. Currently, we have temperatures of 49 degrees with feels like a 48, a humidity of 95, and winds out of the west at 5 miles per hour. Today on the hour, we have 49 degrees currently with showers continuing until around 6 p.m. Showers will clear into cloudy weather and around 45 degrees at midnight. Current temperatures for the state, we're looking at 55 in Cape May, 58 in Midland, so some warmer weather down south. Going up north, it does get cooler. Up in Lafayette, it is 43, which is the coolest temperatures in the state for this time of year. Current drought monitor, as you can see, half of the state is now in a extreme drought. So this means that rationing of water, crop failure is expected, but we are in the season where we don't harvest crops anymore, so this isn't expected to be a major issue for agriculture, luckily, but still something to keep interesting and to look at. We do have some rainfall this week, so maybe that will help mitigate the drought. Current radar and satellites showing this rainfall that's happening right now. As you can see, it passes by us quite quickly. This is just going to be like maybe a tenth of an inch of rain today, nothing too heavy. Heaviest rain is actually going to happen around maybe 4 or 5 p.m. with this little band here wrapping up into New Brunswick. We do have some snow up in the Poconos, so that'll be interesting to see how much they get. Here we are again looking at the radar and satellite futurecast, mainly just so how quickly this goes by and that fog that fills in tomorrow night. And then on Wednesday, we are looking at a big storm event coming in, dropping possibly up to an inch of rain in 24 hours. So that is significant for the region, especially because of the drought we're in. Here we are looking at a surface map. We do have high pressure to the south of us, which is pushing this warm front north up to us. Starting on Tuesday, the warm front really starts to fill in and stall out over us, and that's where we get this 60-degree temperature mark hitting in December, which is quite incredible. But as you can see, there is snow out to the east, so there is a cold front that is going to push in after this warm front pushes out on Wednesday. Here you see the snow line over by Appalachia, and that heavy rain really filling in. Winds, it isn't going to be a super windy event, but there is going to be some 14, maybe 30 mile per hour winds in Wildwood. So definitely are going to be some gusts to look out for Wednesday night, but they do clear into the evening. It's really just the morning you have to look for. Here is the current rainfall totals. As you can see, only a tenth of an inch from this storm, but if we look until Wednesday, we have nearly an inch of rain for almost the whole state. So that's really good to hear. Newark almost hitting 2 inches. So we'll see. There could be some localized rain bands, possible flooding, maybe some urban flooding. We'll have to look out for that. As you can see, we're looking at the temperature departures from normal. We have almost 20-degree temperatures above normal on Wednesday, and then quickly cooling down to almost 5 to 10 degrees below normal the next day. So we are going to see a dramatic flip in temperatures, and then a warm up again coming into Saturday, Sunday, and into the next week. Overnight, we have some fog and cloudy conditions with a low of 45, winds out of the west-northwest at 1 to 3 miles per hour, and a sunrise at 7:11. Looking at the next 3 days, we have, as you can see, that foggy weather Tuesday, that rain on Wednesday, and then that cool weather coming in on Thursday with some sunnier skies, hopefully. Looking into Friday, we have 38, Saturday 44, Sunday at 48 with showers, and Monday at 48. Lows of 22 and 23 on Thursday and Friday, so do bundle up for that, but quite seasonable temps. Warm temperatures again for Wednesday, so if you like the warm weather, it is going to be wet, it is going to be humid, so prepare for that. Again, it has been your host and weather watcher, Jonas Schick. Thank you for watching.